In this video, I am going to ask you three questions. Answer to these three questions very honestly. Watch this video till the end and answer these three questions not to me, not to someone else, but to yourself. Be completely honest today. Now, the first question is, are you working in the system or are you working on the system? When I say system, no, I am not talking about Indian politics. I'm not talking about some leadership role in your organization. I'm not talking about some position of authority. No. When I say system, I am talking about each and everything that you do daily. It could be your college assignment, it could be your college project, it could be buying some groceries from your local supermarket, it could be anything. Now just pause for a moment and think about it. Are you working in the system or are you working on the system? We'll come back to this later, but first let's jump to the next question. Next question is, are you ambitious? I bet the answer is yes. Each and every single person on this earth is ambitious. No one would ever say that, no, I am not ambitious, I just want to be ordinary. No one would ever say that. Everyone wants to be ambitious. So, what's your answer? Are you ambitious? Now, let's ask the third question. Are you making an impact? Now, here's where difficulty comes in. We all are ambitious, we all want to do something, but are we making an impact? To make an impact, we don't need to do something different. Just ask yourself, what is that one thing common between each and every single person you know in your circle who is making an impact? Ask yourself. Let me tell you an answer. The answer is the thing that is common between each and every person in your friend circle who is right now making an impact is he is working on the system. Now, working on the system basically means slightly or significantly improving the system, improving how things work. When we improve how things work, better results always comes in. This is the single short way of expanding the result. Improve the system, work on the system. But the thing is, whenever I say work on the system, 50% or even 70% of the people automatically assume that it's going to be something very difficult, we'll have to do something extra, and we are not going to do that. Even though you are ambitious, now just remember this one simple thing. When you are ambitious, but you fail to upskill yourself, but you fail to complete the things that you were given, but you fail to bring an impact, you become anxious. That's the single biggest reason of anxiety in most of the people in their 20s and 30s today. They are super ambitious, but they are super impatient as well. Are you working in the system or are you working on the system? Let me ask you one more bonus question. When was the last time you did something and you really thought, this thing really needs improvement, why is someone not fixing it? This thing really needs an improvement right now, but why is nobody fixing this thing? Now let me ask you, why don't you fix it? That is how we make an impact. That is how we make an impact. The next time when you come across something that can be improved, improve it. So how to make an impact? Very simple. Two very simple steps. First, in whatever you are doing, no matter how small or how big it is, find something that can be improved. Now let me tell you this fact. Even if the thing that you are working on has been worked upon from centuries, it can still be improved. Nothing is perfect in the world. Let me tell you a very famous quote: perfection is infinity. You can always approach towards infinity, you can always tend towards infinity, but you can never achieve infinity. And that's the most beautiful thing about perfection. You can never achieve it. So no matter what work has already been done, it can still be improved. And that is how we find the scope of improvement. That was the first thing. Find something that needs improvement. Find the scope of improvement. Now the second step is own that improvement. Own that thing that can be improved. Tell the person who is in the position of authority that apart from my regular job, apart from my regular work, I am thinking that this thing can be improved. No matter if it takes me a couple of extra hours for daily for a couple of weeks, I'm still going to work on it because I think that this single thing can bring a lot of improvement and bring a lot of more results. Now, I bet that nobody is going to say no as long as it is not impacting your regular work. So now I want to clarify this simple doubt that working on the system does not mean that you will stop working in the system. So this simple misconception is stopping most of the people from working on the system. To work on the system, you don't need to stop working in the system. You just need to put in some extra time for that simple experiment that can bring in a huge improvement in the result. So summarizing this video, you just need two things to make an impact. First thing is a curiosity to find the scope of improvement, and the second thing, a sense of ownership to improve that. And once you have both of them, nobody can stop you from making an impact. So the next time when somebody asks you, are you working in the system or are you working on the system? Proudly say that I am working in the system to improve the system by working on the system. See you next time. Bye bye. Also, if you have been watching my React Mega tutorial on YouTube, I am super thankful. It was my first experience of teaching on YouTube. It was my first experience of teaching React, and it was super successful. I am super proud to say that so many students benefited so much from that series. This made me super happy. I know I haven't been able to upload the next projects or new tutorials from a couple of months now, but don't worry, that's not because I have stopped it. That's because I'm working on something even bigger and even better. For the next one, I'm thinking a Redux MEGA tutorial. Well, that's going to take some time. I'm sure that's going to take more months from now, but I want you to be patient and stay tuned to my channel, youtube.com/theleanprogrammer. I'll keep uploading more videos to stay in touch with you. Moreover, I'm planning more live videos as well. So let's plan that and let's keep communicating. See you in the next video. Bye bye.